In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome to Basic Learning with SS. Dear, I hope you have watched the previous video in which I shared tips to improve memory. Today, in this video, I am going to share some words which you can use instead of very. So, stop saying very and start these words. Very hungry can be said as starving. Very hurt can be said as battered. Very large can be said as huge. Very lazy can be said as indolent. Very long can be said as extensive. Very sad can be said as sorrowful. Very shining can be said as gleaming. Very fast can be said as quick. Very tasty can be said as delicious. Very simple can be said as basic. Or very rich can be said as wealthy. I hope you have watched this video, and if you have any query, do comment below. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified about upcoming videos.